Hello, this is Carl Henricks with HK Laundry Equipment, and we just want to reach out to you and give you a quick little tour of our office and let you know how we're coping with the COVID-19 epidemic. So, first thing, let's walk over to our office here. And so what you're going to find is the door is locked and we have limited access. And this is to protect my employees and also to protect our customers. What we're trying to do is stop the spread, to lower the curve, and the best way to do that is to get my employees to work from home, to silo them, to be independent, and not to interact with them other employees. And that is basically to be force capable, so that if one of them does get sick, that they all aren't quarantined. That was a very early lesson that we kind of learned because my install crew got sick. Two of my guys got flu-like symptoms, and what happened was I had to quarantine everyone on my install crew and everyone who was in contact with them for 2 weeks, and that shut down our install. So let's go inside and I'll show you around and let you know what we're doing, okay? The first thing that really hits me is that it's really quiet, okay? Our offices here normally are bustling with noise, with telephones, with people talking, technicians coming in and out and everything else. And that's not the case here. It is, frankly, we're the only ones here. It's kind of different. Anyway, what I wanted to do was show you our parts department. This is where Anthony, my parts manager, normally sits. And the interesting thing here is that he is remoting in directly into his laptop with RDP, and he's using his internet phone. And so from an outside point of view, when you call the HK offices, first, number one is somebody's going to answer the phone, real person. And number two is it's almost going to, the experience is going to be just like they were in the office. Now, we're still receiving packages here. We still have service calls going on. We've got service technicians on the road. We're doing service repairs and preventive maintenance. For people who order parts, what we're doing is we're waiving any freight costs and we're offering to drop ship it right from the manufacturer for free. And number two is if they need a part immediately and we have it in stock here, we'll just do a curbside pickup where we'll actually put the parts in a Tupperware container and they can pick it up anytime they want. My office manager, Donna, this is where she actually sits, and again, she's remoting in from home. So again, the experience with HK should be relatively seamless. They can do 90% of what they need to do directly on the computer. They're just remoting into our servers, which are behind me here. And the only reason I'm here is to run around and scan documents and receive parts and put parts out and take care of parts for our technicians. And so we are continuing operations, and we are wishing everyone good health and to stay safe. Thanks.